Honolulu clearance, Cessna number 592, request freeway 4 departure with information Juliet.
So 11592, Honolulu clearance, cleared out of Bravo airspace via the freeway 4 departure. Maintain 1,500. Departure frequency 124.8, squawk 0245.
Cleared out of Bravo on the freeway 1,500, 124.8, squawk 245, 592.
Correct, Cessna 592. All right.
793 heavy, push out, east guideline, and hold short of Zulu.
Japan 7, confirm, Japan 793, push back face to east, hold short of Zulu.
Okay, so I'm going to do a couple little test things here, and once we get across a line down here, kind of need to stay quiet for about the next 5 minutes while we get off the ground and talk to the controllers. Don't let me forget to turn the camera on.
Oh, it's not on yet?
No,
17 heavy, the Hawaiian.
it has a limited battery, so.
11 heavy, hold short of Zulu.
And please feel free to take lots of pictures.
111 heavy. 1708.
617, correction, that's 617, right, hold short of here. 592, crossing jet blast for the taxiing heavy, MD-11, runway 4 to Foster, taxi to Charlie, is following opposite direction caravan.
Forward to Foxtrot, via Charlie, 592.
And Tango following the opposite direction caravan, southbound on Charlie.
Following the caravan, 592.
For the stop again, be following you, monitor car.
37.
902, turn your transponder on, your number 3 at Foxtrot, monitor car. So, we got it now, monitor car.
Hawaiian 182 on the car. Hold short of my 8 left, Romeo Bravo, expect on my 8 right.
Hold short of 8 left, Romeo Bravo, Hawaiian 180.
For A717 on my 4 to Foxtrot line for weight.
Foxtrot line for weight,
Much busier than yesterday.
Okay.
31 Homicide, wind 1408, runway 8 left, first stand, charge in position on the cross runway.
Okay, American 31.
1606 heavy, runway 88, line at 48.
Away right, FedEx 1806 heavy. Firm clear to land on 8 left, American 31.
K31 affirmative. For A717, runway 4 to Foxtrot, clear for takeoff.
Foxtrot, clear for takeoff, X777.
617 heavy contact, departure today.
You don't touch something to me.
592 on fire, runway 4 to Foxtrot, line at 48.
Forward to Foxtrot, line up and right, 592.
Runway 4 to Foxtrot, clear for takeoff, I'll get on your roll.
Forward to Foxtrot, clear for takeoff, 592.
Ready?
Yeah.
Go number 8 Kilo Alpha, Homicide, runway 4 to Foxtrot, land 47, landing on the cross runway.
484 right, Foxtrot, 8 Kilo Alpha.
182, Fox 3 Terminus, wind 1208, runway 8 right, clear for takeoff.
Cleared for takeoff, 8 right, Hawaiian 182.
Line 258, runway 8 right, on for weight.
Bravo 88 right, line 258.
For 8717, traffic running runway 8 right, so 0.717.
We'll be looking, very good.
November 592, contact departure.
Contact departure, 592.
X1806, heavy proceed direct to Molokai and is in 1 heavy.
Thank you, Makai FedEx 806 heavy.
ACF departure, November 11592 is with you, 300.
592, departure radar contact. FedEx 1806 heavy, contact approach 124.1.
4.1, FedEx 1806 heavy, getting.
super smooth.
Departure, good afternoon, Hawaiian 182, we got a 1500 class 9000.
182, 8 to departure, radar contact. Climb and maintain flight level 250.
Flight level 250, Hawaiian 182.
Success for 8717, climbing at 1,505 and heading 120. 8717, 8 to departure, radar contact. Apologize for 8717. Limit 592, would you like higher?
No, I'm actually okay at 1,500 seconds.
Montana line 258, 1400, 5000.
258 to departure, radar contact. Climb and maintain 13000.
Line 13000, line 258.
Should be able to see our building down there eventually.
Yeah.
About as smooth as it gets, so
Oh,
perfect day.
good.
So obviously Diamond Head, and that shit sticking out is Cocoa Head.
Oh, okay.
And the golf course where they play the Hawaiian Open is dead in front of us. Gonna fly right over it.
Kapalua or something? No?
Where they play the Sony Open, I don't even know the name.
Oh, right.
Lake to Alpha, resume navigation, altitude pilot discussion. What is your request?
Good, get advisory to Molokai, and we're going to go to 2,500 for A2 Alpha.
Okay. Line 258, contact approach 119.3.
193, line 258.
For 8717, contact approach 124.1.
124.1, 8717.
The road you run around, is that
Yep,
there?
that's the one. Yep.
Yes, Mokulele 35 is with you. 600 for 1,500 direct punchable, then offshore, and we're headed to Kapalua.
Lele 358 to departure, radar contact.
Departure level 20 out of 2,400.
120 departure, radar contact. Climb and maintain 13,000. 121 able to proceed direct tail areas and whatever. River 500 Lean Bravo Airspace, radar service terminated, block VFR, frequency change approved.
Frequency change approved, so for 592. Pardon?
Looks like a nice space to live.
So when I was heading to all the flights I had, the long flights I had to do when I was doing my training, I would right here, I would turn to about 130 degrees, just straight into the great blue yonder.
Not today, thank you.
That was a little frightening the first time, but the island's coming,
35, resume
the island's coming to view pretty soon. That one straight ahead, that's Molokai. The altitude.
Oh.
It's only 25 miles or something.
Departure, shuttle 1054 1000.
Can you see the color?
1054 east to departure, radar contact.
Of the ocean?
Water. I
Yeah.
know. I was looking at it over there.
Here, let me get out a little further here.
I saw it when we were
But
out.
you can't see this blue. Okay, don't be scared. I'm just going to tip it down a little bit.
Woo!
Look at that blue.
Oh my God, that's gorgeous.
So coming back in, you'll be on this
On
side.
that side?
Yeah.
Okay.
That's just mind-blowing, that color.
Fairly shallow too.
Yeah.
Look at all the little housing right
Shuttle
over the
1054,
valley.
proceed direct to Calais, resume on navigation. Direct Calais for Air Shuttle 1054.
So this is a busy checkpoint. This point here, all the planes coming into Honolulu are going to pass right over this point, but 500 feet higher.
Oh good.
They're supposed to be anyway.
Air Shuttle 1054, contact approach 119 at place. Air Shuttle 1054. T3 for 1054. 9650 climbing out of 1,500 for 5,000. On speed 96 east to departure, radar contact, climb and maintain 13 south.
If you do happen to see any planes, just point them out.
There's a paraglider there.
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 Oh, okay, thank you. Oh yeah, that's a good point. Yep.
Where did they come from?
Oh, who knows?
Run off the top of a mountain?
Probably. There's a big mountain there, so.
Oh. That's
The lighthouse on this point up here. Now while we're going, here, give me the camera. Hold the... Wow, that water, it's deep, it's deep here, but it's still so clear.
Oh, it's beautiful. There's the little lighthouse.
Yep. I don't know if the flashes, well, may want to check one of those and see if they're turning out with the flash.
Oh yeah, beautiful.
Is it? Okay.
Yeah.
One for everything, turn baby, 1.7.
Rental Bay.
Hope your buddy's still out there.
Oh, yeah.
There's a big Air Force jet up there. There's a military air base out on that point.
Oh.
If I go any further forward, really past that coastline, I need to call into them, and I don't want to do that.
No, we don't want to do that.
So what I'm going to do is I'm going to turn around here and put you on this side, and you can take all the photos you like.
Okay.
Wow, look at that. That's, there's this green stuff growing underneath the water. Anybody out there?
No. Whoops. That's amazing.
No, how far out was he?
Closer than yesterday.
Oh, really?
Advise approach on 118.3 or 119 or 0.1 if unable to hold short. Obstruction trains in the vicinity of Honolulu Airport. Check both Newton. Brief backhoe control instructions and pre-bird strike hazard no runways. Advise on initial contact. You have information fuel. Honolulu International Airport information fuel 215. Wind 160 and 8. Visibility 10. Altimeter 3003. Against departing runways 4 and 8. Expect ILS for visual. Loss. Advise the...
I have to start climbing
Okay. Why?
because the planes will be coming out at this altitude. So,
Oh.
okay, so hang on, I gotta make a radio call here. ATF approach Cessna November 11592 east of Cocoa Head. Request Freeway 2 arrival with information kilo.
Say it's approach again?
Freeway 2 arrival.
Saying it's approach again?
November 11592 is east of Cocoa Head. Request Freeway 2 arrival with information kilo.
For 5978 approach squawk 0230.
Say again, please.
And squawk 0230, November 597.
That's November 11592, and I will squawk 0230.
For 592, Rex, thank you. The 592, radar contact, 1 mile east of Cocoa Head, traffic, 12 o'clock, over 1 o'clock and 2 miles, maneuvering over Cocoa Head VFR, type unknown, altitude indicates 1,500. You're cleared into the Bravo airspace, freeway 2 arrival, into left downwind, runway 4 left, maintain 2,000, still advised by tower.
Cleared into class Bravo, left downwind for 4 left, maintain 2000, so advised 592, and looking for traffic.
Cessna 592, the VFR traffic no longer factor.
Say again, please, for 592.
The VFR traffic previously reported no longer factor, Cessna 592.
Understood, thanks. From where the apartment is to where the airport is, straight line distance is really not very far.
No, it isn't. Hit the traffic.
This is where things get exciting.
Why?
Coming back in.
Oh.
Jets everywhere.
What's everywhere?
Jets. They're watching. Radar.
592, contact tower.
Contact tower 592.
4 Delta Mike, descend and maintain 1,500.
1,500, 4 Delta Mike.
Clear to land, wind 150 at Niner.
Clear to land, 8 left, Cam Force 4008.
Lily 41, heavy Boeing 767 departing up parallel runway, wind 140 at 10, runway 8 left at Lima, clear for takeoff.
Traffic 8 left at Lima, clear for takeoff, LA 41.
Honolulu Tower, November 11592 is with you at 2000.
Number 11592, Honolulu Tower, maintain 2000, continue.
Maintain 2000, continue 592.
Savannah, heavy inside, LA 41.
LA 41, thanks. Maintain route separation, traffic caution, wake turbines. Helicopter departing southbound from the Charlie 40 departure, maintain route separation with you in contact departure.
Departure, maintaining visual separation, LA 41, good day.
9783 heavy, contact departure.
703 heavy, good day.
Okay. Alaska 834, wind 140 at 8, runway 8 right, clear for takeoff.
Clear for takeoff, 8 right, Alaska 835.
Up to 508, contact departure.
Set departure 508.
Our Hawaiian 19 heavy is visual, 8 left.
Number 592, descend your discretion, runway 4 left, clear to land.
Clear to land 4 left, descending my discretion 592.
19 heavy, on target, caution returns heavy, C-17, short final traffic will be in position, runway 8 left, clear to land.
19 heavy, clear to land.
They're really high.
Point 343, runway 8 right, clear for takeoff.
We got 8 right on, 343.
834, traffic to Caravan, Honolulu Harbor, southeast bound along the shoreline 1,500. There'll be no factor for you, contact departure.
We're switching, Alaska 834, good day.
Right over the terminal.
Oh. Where we land?
Back 587, Papa Bravo, Honolulu Tower, runway 4 at Foxtrot, line up and wait, traffic landing runway 8 left.
Up and wait for Foxtrot, 587, Papa.
Big Army plane.
Landing right under
Heavy,
it.
hold short of runway 4 left, landing
Oh, he
set.
land?
Yep, short of 4 left, 19 heavy.
Delta 2364 heavy is short of 8 left at Romeo Bravo.
And 408 heavy, contact ground 1-1.9er.
319er, Cam Force 4008.
7 Papa Bravo, runway 4 at Foxtrot, clear for takeoff, traffic, 3 mile final, runway 8 left.
That's clear for takeoff, 4 right, 587 Papa.
343, contact departure.
43.
Four on tower, hold over prison. Go for 4.
Our Hawaiian 529 visual, 8 left.
529 Honolulu Tower, traffic will be positioned midfield, runway 8 left, clear to land. Caution returns heavy, Boeing 767, 1 mile final.
Clear land on 8 left, Hawaiian 529.
One four cross runway 8 left west of Lima and land south and on risk, wind 140 at 8.
I will call blown fly.
7 Papa Bravo, contact departure.
Switch departure, 7 Papa Bravo, see ya.
Delta 2364 heavy, Honolulu Tower, cross runway 8 left.
Cross 8 left, Delta 2364 heavy.
Wait. 105 Honolulu Tower, runway 8 left at Lima, line of avoid traffic, 5 mile right base.
Wait, let's move on, Marco 105.
A 19 Heavy, turn left at Sierra and contact ground.
Sierra, contact ground, 19 Heavy.
Number 592, cross runway 4 at Echo and contact ground.
Cross 4 right at Echo and contact ground 592.
Maui 2 Holland Tower, runway 4 right, full length, line up away, traffic crossing down, field, traffic departing and landing runway 8 left.
92, line up away, 4 right.
Line up and wait.
Line up and wait, A-Ray, Delta 2364.
Copy 349.
Stay down, tower, hold over prison.
Hollywood ground, Cessna November 11592 is 4 right at Echo, request taxi to South Key Hangar.
2, Honolulu ground, taxi to Park Key Charlie, use caution, helicopter 9 south ramp.
Hey, Charlie 592. That was a wee bit tricky. I think that was a tailwind.
Oh,
We started to,
yeah.
you can feel the wind trying to lift up the, it was trying to lift up the right side wing, so that's why we came in kind of, you gotta,
Shifting sort of that way.
they keep teaching you, it's like dig that wing into the wind, otherwise it's just gonna blow you over not over, but just way off the runway, and I don't want to have to tell them, I have to go around in this airspace. It's like, I don't, pretty busy airport.
There's that helicopter they were talking.
Yep. So as we were coming in there, what you're hearing is him clearing the takeoffs and landings of all those jumbos.
Oh,
We were talking to the same guy.